I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today I'm going to show you how to make a tarragon chicken salad. This easy chicken salad is perfect for your not sad desk lunch. You know those lunches that end up in the brown bag and kind of look nasty? This is amazing. So your coworkers will be coming to your desk for your lunch for sure. To start your chicken salad, you're going to need these ingredients. Chicken, obviously. I like to use a roasted bone-in chicken breast. So you roast it in the oven at 425, a little salt, olive oil, and it's going to take about 30 minutes to roast your chicken breast perfectly. You can find the recipe for roasted chicken breast on my website, thesuburbansoapbox.com. You'll also need a lemon. We're gonna use both the zest and the juice of the lemon, a red onion, celery, tarragon, parsley, honey, mayonnaise, obviously, salt and pepper. And if you wanna make your sandwich right away, I like to use a little potato roll. So to start, we're going to chop up our chicken. So as I said, this is on the bone and it breaks apart more easily when it's warm, but I went ahead and I meal prepped this last night. So we're gonna have to take the skin off and peel it off the bone. And I like to do it this way because I like the chicken to be more shredded than cut into cubes. So we're just gonna pull it off the bone. And you wanna make sure that you don't have any bones in your chicken. So we have all the chicken off of that one, and I have 2 chicken breasts right here. And this will be about maybe 3 cups of chicken. And I just like to shred it up. I feel like the dressing gets in there a little bit more. If you have your chicken breast is cut into like cubes, this dressing can't really get in there and flavor the chicken at all. So now I'm just gonna shred it up a little bit with my hands, and then we're going to cut it up into smaller pieces with a knife. If you prefer to just chop your chicken up into little cubes or bite-sized pieces, you certainly can do that too. And I like to use the tarragon in the dressing because it has like that anise flavor. So it's kind of like, gives it a little surprising punch to your dressing. This is more like a rustic chicken salad. You don't have to make a chicken salad sandwich. You can just top this on like a bed of lettuce, but I do love a good sandwich with a salad, like tuna salad or egg salad. Both are very popular with my followers, so you have to check those out too. Now we're gonna chop up the onion, and you don't want a lot of onion. You don't want the onion to overpower your salad. And then you have a fine dice. Put that in there. I like a lot of celery. So I'm just going to dice this up as well. I'm gonna cut it in half, lengthwise, and then I'm gonna slice it up this way, and then run my knife through it one more time to make it tiny. Add that to the bowl. Now the tarragon. And again, the tarragon has like an anise flavor, like black licorice. It's not overpowering. It's kind of light and really fresh, very summery. This is a great salad for the summer. We make this a lot and take it to the beach. If you don't like anise, you can use basil, would be awesome in this as well. Or you could use some fresh chopped thyme, a little bit of oregano, rosemary if you like rosemary, and put that in the bowl. So for the dressing, we're going to start with a base of mayonnaise. And I like to keep it a little lighter. So not overly mayonnaise-y. Mayonnaise-y, is that a word? And then I'm gonna add a little bit of honey, just for a hit of sweetness. Love my sweet in the savory. Some lemon zest. And you can use the zest of the whole lemon if you have the energy. Sometimes I get lazy and I just don't feel like zesting the whole thing. And then we're gonna cut the lemon in half and we're gonna juice the whole lemon. Make sure you catch your seeds, both halves. You want your dressing to be really light and fresh. Now we're gonna season the dressing with a little salt and pepper, and you can season to taste. I just like to start it and get a little salt and pepper right into the bowl and then whisk it together and then taste it before you put it on your chicken salad. And then you can also season the chicken salad after it's been dressed if you feel like it's still a little bland, or you can just put your salt and pepper in here. It's really up to you. That's the one thing I like about cooking. You can totally make things your own. If you don't like the tarragon, you can substitute it or leave it out. This is also very good without any herbs in it at all. I make a chicken Waldorf salad that has apples and grapes and walnuts in it too. That's amazing. You can get that on my website, thesuburbansoapbox.com as well. So now we're just going to dress the chicken salad. Pour everything right over top and then we'll toss it to coat. So I like all the purple from the red onion and the green. It looks light and fresh. And it's healthy too because you're really not using a ton of mayonnaise. And then I'm gonna put it on a potato roll, so maybe that negates everything, but it's still very tasty. Now I'm gonna make a little chicken salad sandwich with my potato roll and something green. I'm just gonna put a little bit of spinach on the bottom, added crunch, make it healthy. And just spoon some of this chicken salad. There we go. Just like that. Lit it up. Just like that. How's that look? Amazing. It's amazing. I know it is. The chicken's perfectly tender and the dressing is light and lemony and fresh with just a little bit of that flavor from the tarragon. This is simply the best chicken salad ever. Really, ever. You have to try it. If you like this recipe, please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.